Hello, Wadsworth Public Library family. It's Julie Tenney here again, and this is number 3 in our video series of gardening. And I just want to briefly remind you that we are doing a remote reference from our houses. So if you have any questions or you're concerned about library materials or you want to place any holds, you can go to our normal phone number, which is 330-334-5761. And Monday through Saturday, there's a librarian from 9 to 5 answering questions. So I just want to put it in there real quick. So today I'm going to talk to you about some things you would do if you have established plants around your yard. Maybe ways that you can start clearing those out. Today is a chilly day, but it's a beautiful day to be outside. Just put on an extra jacket, you'll be fine. So these are our blackberry bushes, our vines, and so as you can see, okay, the cat's here, but as you can see, there's some leaves in here, there's some dead weeds. Those are things that we can start cleaning this out. So if you see the canes, say you had something, even just normal perennials around your house, if you get in here and start cleaning that out, you'll see beautiful new weeds are coming up just for us. So we can go through here and start cleaning this out. And actually now is an easier time to start cleaning this out. When those weeds start coming in, the weeds have strong roots, and so we're not going to have such an easy time pulling those out. So right now, looks like I get to put my children on this job today, that we will be clearing this out and really making this area look nice. There's other areas around our house, and I'm going to show you those right now. So maybe a little windy, but we're going to walk this way. Okay, that was a bit of a windy ride there, but there's never a dull moment out here. It's always very, very windy. So I'm going to have Megan hone in on this area. You know, you would think after winter there wouldn't be anything alive, but this is when the strawberries start coming up. So last year, we only planted one little, if you've ever planted a strawberry plant, they are very, it's like a little withering thing. It looks like it's half dead. But you could do this at your house. Get a small little batch. You won't be able to get those until May, but you could get a small little batch, and they're not very expensive, for a bundle, about 25 of them, and you could cultivate and tear up a little area of your yard, and you could get some strawberry plants. Now these were planted last year, and there was just one little stick, one little plant in the yard, and now just after not even one full year, only 8 months, these have already increased to the size of 18 inches wide. So when these are actually ready by the end of May, this row will be about 3 feet wide. Strawberries will naturally replant themselves, and we'll talk more about that later, much later. But this is just to give you an idea of what it looked like last year. There's Kitty. Last year there was only one little stick, one little plant in the ground, and now it's almost 12 inches wide. So I just wanted to show you how interesting that is, that you could start some strawberries this year, and you know, even if it was a small area, by next year you would have a nice little strawberry plants coming up. So I just wanted to show you that, just to give you an idea, so you don't think that you could grow strawberries. Maybe that's not something you want to try yet. Now we have 60 feet of them, but we do that because we just really love strawberries. But you could get a few small plants at the end of May, put them in the ground, and by the next year, you're going to have a wide area. They're going to replant themselves, and you're going to have a good area. Now strawberries only last about 4 to 5 years on giving healthy production, but then you can always replant them, taking starts off of the existing strawberries and replant them, and they will they will come back up the next year. So that's all I wanted to share with you today. Maybe it's quite a bit of information. As always, if you have any questions, call the library, and we're happy to help you answer any of those questions. Like I said, we are taking live reference calls from Monday through Saturday from 9 to 5. So I hope you all have a wonderful day and get outside and enjoy this great weather. Bye.